In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload videos to Google Drive. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to drive.google.com, and then from here you'll need to log into your account like you usually would. From here you can see the home dashboard over here, and now from here you'll need to find your library and find the specific video that you want to upload onto Google Drive. Once you have found the video, you'll simply need to drag and drop it onto your Google Drive, like so. And as you can see, uploading one item, and it will take less than a minute. From here, you can see that one upload completed, and you can go down here and find the specific place that it has been saved. Now from here, you'll be able to add it into a folder if you want to do that, or you can do really whatever you want to do with it. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!